Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to supercharge your Tesla Model Y. First, use your Tesla's navigation to find the nearest supercharger station. Your car will automatically precondition the battery for faster charging as you drive there. Once you arrive, park your Model Y and simply open the charge port door, located on the left rear side of the vehicle, to prepare for connection. Next, take the supercharger cable from the pedestal and firmly insert it into your Model Y's charge port. You'll hear a click, indicating a secure connection. The charging status, including current power delivery and estimated time remaining, will immediately appear on your vehicle's touchscreen and in your Tesla mobile app. Charging usually starts automatically, so no further action is needed from you. While charging, you can easily monitor the progress directly from your Model Y's display or through the Tesla app on your phone. This shows you the current charge level and estimated time until completion. Payment for supercharging is completely automatic. The cost is billed directly to the payment method linked to your Tesla account. You have full control to stop charging at any point using either your car's screen or the app. For optimal battery health, it's generally recommended to charge your Model Y to about 80% for daily driving, only going to 100% for longer trips. Also, be mindful not to leave your vehicle connected to the supercharger once charging is finished, as idle fees may apply. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.